Hi friends, I told you I would be back with this story, so I have a really great story today. It's called How Do Dinosaurs Go to School? And we are going to learn some right ways to act at school and some wrong ways to act at school. So I hope you enjoy this book, and then we have a few activities too. So how do dinosaurs go to school? How does a dinosaur go to school? Does he walk? Does he ride in a busy carpool? Does he drag his long tail? Is he late for the bus? Does he stomp all 4 feet? Does he make a big fuss? Oh, I don't think it's good to make a big fuss. Do you? When he gets to the school, does he roughhouse and punch? Does he make a quick grab for a classmate's packed lunch? I don't think that's the right thing to do. Look at him. Hands are for helping, right? Not hurting. Does he race up the stairs right ahead of the bell? Does he interrupt class with his own show and tell? Oh, look at this picture. It looks like this friend is trying to tell about her stuffed animal, but the dinosaur's interrupting her. I think that would hurt someone's feelings and empty their bucket. Does a dinosaur yell? I hope not. And when in the classroom plunked down in his chair, does a dinosaur fidget with his tail in the air? Does he growl during chalk talks or roar out of turn? Does he make it too hard for the others to learn? I know this isn't something we'll do in our classroom. It looks like these friends are busy trying to make good choices, and the dinosaur is being silly, and he is interrupting everything that everyone's doing. Does he stir up the classroom by making a noise? Does he tease all the girls? Does he pick on the boys? Well, that doesn't sound right. And it says no. A dinosaur carefully raises his hand. He helps out his classmates with projects they've planned. And look, it looks like the dinosaur is helping. At recess, he plays with a number of friends and growls at the bullies till bullying ends. He tidies his desk, then he leaps out the door. Good work, little dinosaur. So I told you that we would learn some good things that we should do at school and some bad things. So why don't you take just a minute to tell your mom or your dad or your grandma or your grandpa what's something good you can do at school and what's something bad you cannot do at school. Take just a minute. And I'm gonna move this camera to right here so we can see this picture. All right, so one good thing we could do at school is help our friends, right? We can help them when they're in trouble. One thing we can't do is we can't run and yell, right? Can't do that. So look at this picture. What are these children doing? What do you think they're doing? It looks like they're climbing a wall, right? Does it look easy or does it look hard? They have lots of steps to step on. I think it looks awfully hard. And I think climbing this big rock is a challenge. Can you all say that word? It's a very big word. Say challenge. Now, it is a challenge to climb this big wall. And getting to the top of this big wall takes a lot of hard work. And that's what a challenge means. A challenge means something that is hard to do. Have you ever had something that was really hard to do? What was it? I bet that was hard. But let me tell you, I have had challenges too. And it is a good thing to be challenged every now and then, and you work hard to overcome or to get over that challenge, right? So this is our vocabulary word of the day. Say challenge. Very good job. Now, we have a question. And our focus question for this week that we're going to learn all about is what happens at school. And there's lots of fun things that happen at school, right? We've got to do some of those things. We've got to eat breakfast and play in centers and have our morning meeting. You get to meet new friends. So we're going to learn about all the things that happens at school. Now tell me, what is your favorite thing that you've got to do at school so far? You can always have your mom or your dad or whoever is watching with you, you can always have them share that with me on Facebook, our Facebook video, what your favorite thing about school has been so far. And we're going to learn lots of more things that happen at school this week. Now, you have a homework packet and it has a page that looks like this. And you get to trace this page. So that means you have a dry erase marker, and this paper that you have is in a plastic sleeve, and so you can get your dry erase marker out and practice tracing these lines. And you got to make sure to stay inside of the lines. That's the very most important part, is staying inside of the lines when you trace. And you can share a picture with me showing how well you traced that, okay? Now, I hope you all have fun doing your line tracing activity, and we'll have another video here soon that will show you our math for today and what activity you'll be doing in math. Bye for now, friends.